Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide email on Google Forms. Google Forms automatically collects email addresses when the setting is enabled, but sometimes you may want to hide or remove the email field to allow anonymous responses. This is important for privacy reasons and biased feedback or public surveys, where identity should remain confidential. Fortunately, Google Forms gives you multiple ways to disable small email collections and remove the email question, or make the form anonymously while still gathering the necessary data. And in this video tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps step by step. The first step is to disable automatic email collection. And to do that, go to forms.google.com. Make sure you log in using your Google account credentials. Once you log in, select the form you want to hide the email from. Example, I'm just gonna choose a Google form. Let's wait for them to appear. We're gonna select a Google form. Now here, go to the responses tab, settings, go to settings, then responses tab, and toggle off the option collect email addresses. Say this should be do not collect. Make sure it's this option right here and choose it. The second step is to remove any email fields in the form. Now if you manually added an email field, click on it and press the delete icon. You can see it here. You can just click on it, click on the question that says email, and click on delete questions. Third step is to make the form anonymous. Ensure that the require sign-in is disabled in the settings. This allows anyone to fill out the form without needing a Google account. As for the fourth step, test the form for anonymity, and you can do that by clicking on the preview icon and submit a test response. The preview icon is the one that has the eye icon right here on the top right corner. Click on it, and as you can see, you can submit a test response. And you can check the responses tab to confirm that no email addresses are being collected. As for the fifth step, link responses to Google Sheets. If you're storing the responses in a Google Sheet, ensure that email addresses are not recorded by checking column data. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hiding email in Google Forms is essential for ensuring anonymous feedback and users' privacy. By disabling email collection, removing email fields, and adjusting settings, you can make sure users feel comfortable submitting responses without revealing their identity. Whether you're conducting employee surveys, public polls, or research questionnaire, keeping the process anonymous can lead to more honest and unbiased answers. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.